This is the Omega Swatch MoonSwatch, and it might be the most talked about watch of the last few years. It promises the legendary look of the Omega Speedmaster Moonwatch for just a fraction of the price. Sounds almost too good to be true, right? Well, after spending time with it and digging into what experts and collectors have to say, I found that this watch is both brilliant and surprisingly controversial. So, is it actually worth your hard-earned cash? Let's find out. Omega Swatch MoonSwatch product overview. So, what's the deal with the MoonSwatch? This is a collaboration between Omega and Swatch that first launched in March 2026 and instantly became one of the biggest watch releases in recent history. Inspired by the iconic Omega Speedmaster Professional, the first watch worn on the moon, the MoonSwatch brings that classic design to a much more affordable price point, usually around $270 in the US. It comes in multiple versions, themed after planets in our solar system, each with its own unique color scheme. It's designed for people who love watches, appreciate iconic design, or simply want something fun and different without spending thousands of dollars. Omega Swatch MoonSwatch Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually perform in everyday life? Here's the thing. It feels exactly like what it is. A stylish, lightweight quartz watch that's incredibly easy to live with. Thanks to its Swiss quartz movement, timekeeping is accurate, and you don't have to worry about winding it every day or resetting it constantly. The chronograph functions smoothly, and the pushers have a satisfying click. Timing workouts, cooking, or even parking meters become surprisingly enjoyable because everything is simple and responsive. One of the biggest surprises is just how comfortable it is. The lightweight bioceramic case almost disappears on your wrist, making it easy to wear for hours without fatigue. But it's not all perfect. The crystal scratches much more easily than sapphire glass, so you'll want to be careful during everyday use. Water resistance is only 30 meters, meaning this isn't a watch you should regularly swim with. Features and tech. Let's talk about what makes this watch so special. First is the bioceramic case. Swatch combines ceramic with bio-sourced materials to create something that's lightweight, comfortable, and surprisingly pleasant to wear. It doesn't feel like cheap plastic, even though it's much lighter than traditional steel. Next is the Speedmaster-inspired design. You get the famous tachymeter bezel, asymmetrical case shape, and recognizable dial layout that made the original Moonwatch legendary. The benefit here is obvious. You get one of the most iconic watch designs ever created at a price that's actually attainable. Another standout feature is the Swiss quartz chronograph movement. Unlike automatic watches, quartz requires very little maintenance and delivers excellent accuracy. Just put it on and go. Finally, every planet edition has its own personality. Whether you prefer the classic mission to the moon or the vibrant mission to Mars, there's enough variety that collectors often end up owning more than one. Design and build. Aesthetically, Omega and Swatch absolutely nailed it. At first glance, many people mistake it for the real Speedmaster. The proportions are remarkably close, and the detailing is impressive considering the price. The bioceramic material has a soft, matte finish that feels unique in your hand. It's warm to the touch and noticeably lighter than stainless steel. The included Velcro strap fits the space-inspired theme, although it's probably the weakest part of the package. Many owners swap it out for a leather, rubber, or NATO strap almost immediately. And honestly, doing so transforms the entire look of the watch. Pros. Legendary Speedmaster-inspired design at an affordable price. Lightweight and extremely comfortable for all-day wear. Reliable Swiss quartz accuracy with useful chronograph functions. Cons. Crystal scratches fairly easily. Original Velcro strap won't appeal to everyone. Final verdict. So, who is this watch really for? If you've always admired the Omega Speedmaster, but couldn't justify spending several $1,000s, the MoonSwatch is honestly one of the most enjoyable alternatives available. It captures much of the design, history, and fun without pretending to replace the original. Now, if you're expecting luxury-level finishing, sapphire crystal, or premium durability, you'll probably walk away disappointed. This is still a Swatch at heart, and that's important to remember. But if you're looking for a conversation starter, a stylish everyday watch, or even your first serious step into watch collecting, it's incredibly easy to recommend.